it's Desilicious Aadi Shehzadi Devji. Happy holidays! And thank you to my friend Richard Narayan Singh for sponsoring this video. Now, the most special time of the year is also one of the busiest. If the holiday season brings stress, here's how you can chill a little and enjoy the festivities with these super easy holiday recipes using a seasonal superfood, dried cranberries. Cranberries are a source of essential vitamins and minerals, dietary fiber, and other naturally occurring compounds that may have potential health benefits. Feast your eyes on this stunning holiday platter with an assortment of fruits and vegetables centered around a bowl of creamy and delicious cranberry and roasted beet hummus. Super healthy and perfect as your holiday centerpiece. At our holiday parties, phyllo cups are a definite favorite. We love to fill ours with this cranberry apple salsa. It's a cinch to make, and what a wonderful way to impress your guests. What could be a better dish for your holiday menu than this simple yet sophisticated side of Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and dried cranberries? The cranberries not only perk up this recipe with their tartness and texture, but also offer potential health benefits. Research indicates that dried cranberries support heart and digestive health and may play a role in cancer prevention and diabetes management. During the busy holiday season, you just can't beat convenient, no-fuss recipes. Add a festive twist with these no-bake cranberry bites. Dried cranberries are naturally sweet with no added sugar, are cholesterol and fat-free, and very low in sodium. These taste heavenly and make an ideal snack before dinner or as an elegant dessert. Visit the Cranberry Institute to learn more about the health benefits of cranberries along with delicious recipes.